What's going on, guys? It's John here, and I know I haven't made a video in a while. It's been about a week. I've been super busy with working and just, doing other things in my life, but I have some exciting news. I'm going to be getting some new wheels, some tires, obviously, and we're going to finally install my coilovers along with the wheels and tires and whatnot, and get an alignment and all that fun stuff. So that's soon to come. And also more exciting news is I did get a sponsor, actually. So my new sponsor is Import Image Racing. I'm really hyped to have them on my side and be on their team, and they're gonna be helping me out with my build, and they're hooking me up with some nice wheels, and I'm really excited. I'm not gonna tell you guys what the wheels are just yet, but you will soon find out. It's gonna be so great, and I cannot wait to see what my car is gonna look like with the new wheels. So that's gonna be coming within, I don't know, probably a week or two. They're getting made and then getting sent over to me, so I'm really excited, and yeah, let's move on. So if you're wondering why these clips are all cut up, it's because my camera battery keeps dying. Also, now it's starting to rain, so that's kind of unfortunate, but not a big deal. So yeah, I can't wait for what's to come, guys, and I hope you guys are excited for it. Also, if you've noticed, probably not, I did get some new lighting for the garage. I got these like Phillips Hue bulbs, and I can control them from my phone, actually, so they're kind of cool. It makes it a lot brighter in here and better to work in, for sure. As you can see, a lot brighter. And yeah, I can change the color of them like this. And no, I'm not sponsored by Philips Hue. I don't know, I like their lights. Let's make them blue. Oh, I don't know why that one's not blue, but turn it off from here. It's pretty cool though. So yeah, overall I'm really excited to get my new wheels and my tires in, so we can change the look of this car. It's gonna be so great, and I'm super excited. Overall, this is the current stage my car sits in. Got the taillight overlays, the reverse light tail overlay, the NVIDIA N1 exhaust. Overall, I think the back end looks really good right now. I think I'm eventually gonna get a carbon fiber trunk. I think that'll really tie together the back end, but I'm super excited to really fill in this back end here and make it look a lot more aggressive. Interior is really coming together as well with my carbon fiber wrapping skills that I barely even have. But yeah, overall I think everything is really coming together on this car. I did take off the black on this. I kind of liked the chrome, but I think I'm going to do something a little bit different with that. Not really sure just yet, but I'm going to definitely change that. Definitely going to get a lip to come soon because it's kind of just plain. And yes, my car looks like it's monster trucking right now. But yeah. Sorry this video was kind of boring. It's kind of just an update video, but quite exciting. That's why I just haven't been making videos in like a week or so. But be ready. The wheels should be coming soon, and I'm really excited. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.